My name is Jeffrey Zwern, and I'm the president of IDS Research and Development Incorporated. This video is copyrighted. UL 985 references and includes NFPA 72 and NFPA 70. UL 985 requires that shorts, opens, or grounds in common circuits like the data bus not interfere with the fire alarm supervision or fire alarm signal transmission to the remote station. UL 985 prohibits a fault condition, open, ground, or short from affecting the fire alarm signaling. It also mandates that the system operate reliably despite a fault or ground fault condition on the system. The 2002 edition of NFPA 72 is crystal clear in that faults, including short circuits, open circuits, or grounds, shall not affect the operation of the fire alarm system. The 2019 edition of NFPA 72 is even more stringent than the 2002 edition, in that it also adds carbon monoxide requirements to the existing fire alarm system requirements. This is the wiring diagram of a Honeywell Vista control unit. It shows the central block of the single data bus circuit and what connects to the single data bus circuit. Here we have the data portion. Here we have the positive and the negative portion of what connects to the data bus. Data yellow, data green, red positive, black negative. As you can see, auxiliary power connects in parallel with the data bus. Not only do you have remote station keypads on the data bus, but you also have other addressable devices, such as 5800 TM, GSM version 4G, 4219, 4229, 4204, and 5881. Everything starts at the control panel set from the data bus and is remoted throughout the protected premises. Any short on auxiliary power, any short on the data bus, any short on a zone expansion module, an input-output module, and/or motion detectors and audio glass break detectors that connect to auxiliary power will instantly shut down the control panel set. This is a schematic of how the Honeywell and all single data bus control units connect to other devices on the data bus. The control unit connects via data bus to the remote system keypads. The wireless receiver connects in parallel to the control unit on its data bus. The zone expansion module connects in parallel to the data bus of the control panel. 12 volts of auxiliary power connects to the positive and negative terminals of the data bus. And the system's wireless radio alarm transmitter connects to the data bus as well in parallel. This is a Vista 20P Honeywell control panel. It contains a single data bus circuit. This is a wireless radio alarm transmitter by Total Connect. This is a wireless dual diversity radio receiving unit. And this is a wireless smoke detector. I'm going to activate the smoke detector. As you can see, the system has gone to alarm. I'm now going to reset the alarm. This is the data bus circuit wiring that provides data and power to many devices that are required to connect to the data bus circuit of the control panel. We are now going to do a burn test on the data bus circuit wiring. As you can see, the remote station keypad is non-functional. The wireless radio alarm transmitter is non-functional. The wireless receiver is non-functional. The system has catastrophically failed in gross deviation to both UL and NFPA standards.